Hey guys, new tutorial. I am going to show you how to install Odoo 11 on Windows 7, Windows 8 or 10. Okay, it's easy. First I will show you how to download. Okay, open Google and tips on the search Odoo 11 download and open the first. So this is download Odoo and this is the version for 11. So Windows, click on download. So thank you for download and choose the location and save. I have already cancelled, so I have already downloaded, so I will cancel. And now let's open. Execute. It asks you for the language, English. You can choose French if you want. And next. I agree. So Odoo server and PostgreSQL database. You must choose these two options. So the localhost and the port, username, password, and next you can change it, and destination folder, and finally install. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us on Patreon, and also you can comment. Let's take a coffee until it's finished to install. Okay, installation is finished. Let's continue. So click on next and start Odoo and finish. Okay, it's open on localhost on this port. Please wait. Okay, it asks you for the database name. For example, empty software, and give your mail turkey.maki and choose password and choose the language and country. For example, United States, and create database. Can also restore database if you have a backup of database or a script skill. So before download, it will ask you to put some information about you, your company, your name, your email. So it is easy, just give your email and click on download. Okay, it will load. Please wait. And here is Odoo. So this some model on Odoo. It's created by default with Odoo. So this is how to install Odoo 11 on Windows 7, Windows 8 or 10. So I hope that it was helpful for you. Please don't forget to the channel and comment. Goodbye.